In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset your chart to default in Tradingview so you can quickly clean up clutter and start fresh. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and load your chart. Make sure you're on the main chart screen. Now look at the top right corner. Click on the settings gear icon. A settings window will appear. Find and click on the template option. A drop-down menu will open. Select Apply Defaults from the list. Your chart will now reset to default style. Next, check if anything is still on your chart. Sometimes indicators or drawings remain. Right-click anywhere on the chart. A menu will appear with more options. Click Remove Indicators if needed. Also select Remove Drawings to clear lines. This will fully clean your chart. Now your chart is fresh and organized. You can start new analysis easily. That's it. You've successfully reset your chart in Tradingview. Subscribe for more Tradingview tips and tutorials.